This video tutorial is a little experimental. We're going to be covering the eagle pose with a mace. Okay, so eagle pose is one of the postures in yoga that opens up the 7 largest joints of the human skeleton. So the posture to access, start in mountain pose, inhale, arms up. Exhale, swing your right arm underneath your left, cross and twist. You can either make a fist here and pull the hands down or make a prayer with thumbs crossed here. Find Utkatasana chair pose. So sitting the hips back and keeping crown to coccyx alignment. And then lift your right leg really, really high, cross and twist, and wrap the foot around. Once you're here, start to lean your upper body back. Pull your hands up continuously and elbows away from your body to open up your shoulders. Squeeze your thighs together like you mean it, and release. Switch sides, inhale. Exhale, sweep left arm underneath, cross and twist. Find your prayer hands, or if you need to modify, you can be here. Sit back, find your chair, squeeze your knees together. A lot of times I see athletes having a hard time keeping their knees together. Find that adduction action, lift the leg, nice and high, wrap and twist. Once you're here, arch your upper body back, lift the arms continuously, pull the elbows away, draw navel to spine, squeeze, and release. So, a couple things to workshop. If you're having trouble with getting the thighs to squeeze, one way that you could break that down is looking at your ability to adduct your thigh. So you can take your hand to the inner thigh and push in while stabilizing on your base leg here. So as you're coming into that cross-legged position, a powerful adduction action, and then that leg wrap is really key there. So try it on both sides. Give yourself that motor feedback of firstly, making sure that you have good hip extensions. You can put pressure here as well as here. So those two actions, the lift, the adduction, fight your hand the whole entire time, cross, 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 twist, squeeze down, wrap, and then eventually putting into eagle. Now, I just tried this the other day. It was super fun. It's a progression to build you up to being able to do a 360 in your eagle asana. I'll also show you a fun little single leg balance flow integrating the eagle arms too. Definitely take your time if you're still new to Mace. Just watch and start practicing with me online with FlowShell if you can. Okay, so I start in prayer position. I find my Utkatasana. There's no eagle arms in this. It's just eagle legs, Gomukhasana legs. So my progression, first I create stability here, so I'm squeezing my legs like crazy. And you'll see me making these slight little micro adjustments, totally normal, as I'm moving through space and I have to adjust from my base support being just one leg. So I can go here. If I come out of it, that's fine. I can just go right back into it. And switching hand grip. Top hand indicates the direction of the swing. So first I find my Utkatasana. A lift, cross, wrap the legs. Staying deep into your eyes at home here. So notice I have to really keep a good strong focal point. I press, rip and crush. Squeeze the legs together. The more my core stays engaged, the better, but I don't want to be rigid. I want to be able to absorb the load with ease and elasticity. All right, so it looks like I can get one swing on the one side and many swings on the other side. Play with that a bit. Still very experimental, but it's fun to integrate the different yoga asana with the elements of the Mace. So a fun eagle arm, Gomukhasana arm flow that you can try out home. You can start in your eagle pose. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, sweep right arm underneath left. Sit back, find Utkatasana. Again, taking that load away. This is gonna feel a lot easier because I just did it with a Mace. So my body has that remembrance of what it felt like to hold that Mace. So I can go eagle. I can go warrior 3, which is a closed hip single leg balance. Lengthening, so reaching the hands away, flexing the foot, squaring the hips. I've got my warrior 1 with eagle arms, diving back. And I can take that into a flow. those are some fun ideas to play around with the Mace, integrating yoga asana and ancient Mace swinging. Have some fun, play with it, comment below, let me know what you think, and I hope to see you in the Flowshala virtual studio very soon.